Here inside Ellös is completely empty now. There is no more engine, need to be clean. And now we go in the bow. Watch your step, please. Woohoo! Okay, here we are. This is the bow that today I must disassemble. All the strip wood panel I need to take off. The small locker over there. This side. Take me some time to do because I need to be very careful. I don't want to make mistake. I don't want to ruin nothing.
What you can see, these furniture are made inside Ellös and Varnish too. You can see this step. If I take this furniture out, I need to destroy this. No way. So my idea is to unscrew this strip of wood and paint it just here. After that, I leave all the stuff like this without destroying nothing. I think it's the best idea I can do because I really don't want to destroy this fantastic Hallberg Rassy wall. Okay guys, ready to go, ready to unscrew all the screws. We go!
Job done. Quite annoying. I must stop here, finish. Here we are, a lot of dust, shit around.
Okay, I need to fix just around the port light because all the frames is gone. You can see it's very old and very destroyed by humidity, so I need to make another new one, and for sure I need to varnish again. You can see here it's gone, so it will take some time to do, but I will do one brand new.
On the way, ready to go varnish. We go. Oh, done. Here we go. I am at top tech just now. I have a lot to do today. It's raining, cold, so we stay here. Here we are, ready to go. Today is a very bad day outside, it's cold, so I prefer to stay inside the factory because I need to prepare all the furniture to be varnished. So I need to scrap them very well. Hallberg Rassy uses a very particular color in his furniture. It's very difficult to make the same color of original Hallberg Rassy after 30 years. I use this type of Scotch Brite, it's probably 360. And it's very good to clean all the furniture. It's enough because the new varnish will grip again in the furniture. This is the cover of the port lights. I need to be varnished. I have some issue here. You can see. If you see here, there is some drip from the cleats, and I need to clean. After that, I need to be re-varnished. So I have some drip here, some drip here. It's the same. today I finished to send all the furniture. They are ready to go varnish. Just pack all the stuff I did today. The engine cover for the front. This is tech, ready to go varnish. I bring it to varnish. My car is full of everything, including the lids that I will repair and rebuilding. So now I go to Luca factory to varnish. We see you later, bye.